So what are the things that we can measure? If we think of that sort, there are few things that we can measure. We can measure length, and this is measured in meters, kilometers, and centimeters. If you go down to millimeters, we can measure length. And second thing which we can do is we can also measure mass, or let's say weight. We can also measure weight, and we usually measure weight in grams. I'm writing the shortcuts, kilograms, of that sort. And the thing that I think of and everybody can think of is time. We can also measure time, and it is also measured in seconds, hours, minutes, days, years, and we can follow. There is also millisecond, by the way. Yeah. So thinking of this sort, let's we know these things. So let's come to weight again. Weights. When we say weight, how do we measure it? We measure it via comparing 1 kilogram weight and taking our block there. If both balances and both these things balances, and we are good, and we say that this weight is equal to this weight, right? Hmm. Yeah. Who decides the 1 kg thing? Who decides the 1 kg? So there is a system called International System for Units. So this this organization fixes this thing. International System of Units. This is abbreviated as SI units. So this one will decide what this 1 kg is. For now, let's not go through there, and let's leave it, and let's come back to what are the other things that can be measured. So width, when we take width, it can be measured, and it is again length, and length is again measured in meters, centimeters. So this goes on. What else can we measure? Height is again measured in length. And duration, it is again time is the duration, so it is measured in seconds. What else can we measure? Heat. Yep, heat. We cannot measure heat with time cages, but it we have some scales to measure heat. Those are Kelvin scales, centigrade scales, Fahrenheit scales, thermometers, which we call in general, is used to measure heat. And the fundamental units are Kelvin, degree centigrade, Fahrenheit. These are the things which are used to measure heat. Then then keep on asking, what are the things that we can measure? Electricity. Can we measure electricity? So number of electrons passing a let's say passing a plane in a second, and this is how we measure electricity, and it is measured in amperes. Okay. How many we got? We got like let's list down how many we got. We got time, we got weight, which we can measure. We got and what else we got? We got length, we got heat, we got electricity. What else can we measure? Yes, what else can we? Let's think. Can't we measure intensity of a light? Intensity of light, we can also measure this one. How do we measure it? So for suppose a bulb, our usual household bulbs, those have some kind of intensity. The street lights has other kind of intensity as in the focused light which we feel. The lasers, those have another kind of intensity. So we should so people started measuring the intensity using an unit called candela. Yep. And what else? Can we measure atoms in a block of mass? Can we measure how many atoms? Uh, Generally, we cannot, but scientists made a system for this as well. And generally, these are measured using mole concept. So, calling this amount of substance. Amount of substance. This is measured in moles. So, finally, we got the six, and the seventh is moles. We got seven things that we can measure. What else can we measure? Can we measure other than these seven things? Actually, if you think of it, in mathematics we have two more things that can be measured other than this. Those are radians and steradians. So let's come back to this later, but our main focus will be on these seven fundamental units. The So these things we can measure, but we also know that how the time is measured in seconds, and it can be measured using watches and all, and so on. We can do that. So, but who knows what 1 kg exactly weights? What it weights? And 1 meter. How long is 1 meter? How long is it? And how much, what does it mean, like exactly 1 second? How precise it should be? Like, what is the duration of 1 second? uh, how that's a big question mark, even for anyone, for this. And what are the radians and steradians that I discussed before? Let's look at this later part of the series. So until now we have seven units of measurements, and we have looked at what are they. And finally, rounding off this again, the time is measured in seconds. This this is kept as a fundamental unit. The meter for length, for weight it is kilograms. And ampere, luminous intensities, candela, and all these things are there. So in the next part of the video part of the video series, let's look at what exactly is meant by 1 kg, 1 second, 1 ampere, and so on, and how these things are mixed, and how other quantities are derived using these quantities. For suppose there is a concept called force. How much force you can be applied on a body? You can think the force as that kind of thing, and the force can be derived using these quantities itself, these fundamental quantities. Using these seven quantities, you can measure anything in and you can measure anything that can be measurable in this universe. So that's it for the video. Let's catch up later. Bye guys.